Hey everyone and welcome back to Melbourne Railway videos. I'm here at Glenferrie. We've got an Alamein service departing 2:74am and 9:09am. Let's look down at the concourse. I should have filmed the way in. It's quite interesting. There's a bit of an alleyway just down there off to the right, which has some interesting shops to look at. This station is quite a busy one because it serves Swinburne University, which is off to the right or left. I don't know. It's my first time being here. But yeah, usually when you go past here, there's quite a lot of people wanting to get on. Very grand architecture, so it's got to be heritage listed. It's an interesting little walkway. Quite curious to see what's down there. Now, have we got a train passing? We do. I thought all trains stopped here, but they don't. 63M's leading. And 154M. Must be express to Camberwell. And we've got another train arriving. I think it's just departed Auburn, I'm gonna say. Auburn or Hawthorn, but I think it's Auburn. I'm probably gonna be wrong. It's an extrapolis. All these trains in the video will be extrapolises. So comment, just don't venture this way anymore, really. 2:48am is leading. And the rear three are 168am. Not a lot of people on the train. We've also got a Blackburn service arriving on platform 3. (942M's leading that one. As we see this train, which will shortly depart. There we go. And the rear is 974M. I think we've got another train coming too. Just arrived at what I'm going to say is Auburn. Shortly we'll have another Flinders Street service arriving. Just waiting for it to pop around the corner, go over that little bridge. It's taking its time. Here it comes. (896M) is leading. And 96M is trailing. And we'll have it departing. It's just going to wait for that man. No, it's not. It's a nice quiet evening. Coming into the afternoon peak or the evening peak, but obviously due to COVID it's not quite the sort of peak hour crowds that you'd be used to. Nevertheless, it's a nice autumn evening, just at the start of April, so it's not too cold. And now we have a Belgrave service passing, 44M, going through at some speed, and 861M. We've got an Extrapolis coming. This will be the last train in the video. Before I finish, I better give this station a rating. It's got a lovely old feel to it. I mean, it's a tad run down, but I'm still going to give it a 6.5 out of 10 just because of the nice old architecture and the fact it's got 3 platforms and a few one express track with express trains going through. This is 209M. And 52M. It's getting a bit busy. Not too busy actually, lots of empty seats. Great, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.